I got the radiator out, and you can see the pulley's all wet in there. There's a drop of antifreeze in there, but it's all wet. That's where it was leaking from the seal. You can see it's 6-bolt, and the fan is all wet. Then you come down here, that's the AC condenser. Undid this shroud here. So there's the 6-bolt water pump, and you can see that it's dripping right there because there's a seal behind this flange right there, and that's what goes bad on these. So there should be a weep hole under there, which gives it a bypass. But you can see it's all wet, dripping down there on the cross member. I put some paper towels down there to catch that while I got this bottom radiator hose off, because it was dripping in the side of my face and on my almost in my ear. So yeah, this is the water pump leaking area, and 100% this fixes it. Hopefully the head gasket's good.